Hello, my friends. So this video is going to walk us through my Nature Walk 10-page workshop. I used the Exploring Nature stamp set and the Nature Walk paper pack, designer series paper, sorry, and with the sticker sheet. I added in the stone and vine embossing folder to give us some texture. The service essential dies is where I got the hearts and the tags and other things I'll show you as we go. The bling is the nature or natural matte dots. And here's what I created with it. Now, I have sold out of these kits already, but if I have enough interest, I could do another round. So let me know if you didn't get one and you want one so that I can create some more. All right. So you're going to start with, if you got one of the kits, you're going to start with your 3.5 by 10.5 inch panels, working from the center of the page out. Add your photo mats. You've got stickers and punch outs that or die cuts that I've created for you. These here are all part of the stickers. This little piece right here is actually probably junk, but I didn't use it as junk. I just used it. It's the in between of the two different kinds of stickers. So if you're wondering where that came from, look close. It's on your sticker sheet. All right, so that's the first layout. Then we go into this one. What we're going to do is add your um, 3 by 4 inch pieces 2 inches in, then add your white piece along there. Then you're going to put your blue pieces, kind of match up the light and dark in the middle there as best as you can. It's not a big deal because the whole thing's swirly. And those are going to come right over to the white piece of paper. Then here's another one of those weird stickers that you probably wouldn't normally use, but I did. Again, the in between of those long strip of lines. We've got some pieces again that I've cut out of the Service Essential dies. Add your stickers, lots of fun stickers, a little bit of stamping, and you've got that one. And this mountain, what I did is just carried it over. So it's that one long sticker. I just cut it at 6 inches so that you got half on each side. Here again, I did that embossing for you with the Stone and Vine 3D embossing folder. This paper had me. I just love, love, love this paper. And then you've got these two pieces, pairs of pieces that you're going to put there. You can, do tops and bottoms together. I like to offset them. And then these should butt right up to the middle. So probably put these on, these pieces, and then do these two. You've got your photo wells. Again, this is one of those sticker sheets that you probably, or stickers from the sticker sheet you probably would have thrown away. I used it. You could do a little journaling up there, or it just looks nice as a white offset. We've got stickers and embellishments that you're going to add to that. And then that is, again, a stamp from that um, Exploring Nature stamp set. With this layout, we've got a whole bunch of 1.5 by 6 inch panels. In between those panels, you've got 3 by 6 inch pieces. I put all of the 3 by 6s that have the darker colors on the bottom and the lighter ones I put on the top. You decide how you want to do it. You don't have to do your papers exactly how I did. But I just think that this is a good layout. At the end of your paper pack, when you just have those little strips of paper and what are you going to do with them? This is a great layout to use those little bits of paper. And instead of using 3 by 6s, that could just be, a colored piece of paper on the bottom there that you're putting all of these 1.5 by 6 inch strips on top of. Again, we've got our clusters of goodness. I like this up here kind of a little journaling spot left open there. Stamp, add your bling. Here I sanded over top of the embossing folder just to give it a little extra edgy look. All right, and then on this one, again, we've got our 6x6 squares. These two I lined up together because they're going to meet in the middle. We've got a strip that I ran along the bottom there. Add your photo wells, clusters of goodness. You've got teeny, teeny, tiny little white stars that you can add wherever you'd like. That again all came from the um, Service Essential dies. Isn't that fun? Is that how that goes? Yeah, it is. All right, and then It's a Great Big World Out There again came from the Natural or Exploring Nature stamp set. So that is my 10-page nature walk workshop. Let me know if you want to get